Nima Srivastava. You are watching me on 100acres.com. Welcome back to this video. So today I am very excited to be speaking with Mr. Paras Arora, the Deputy General Manager Sales of Smart World Developers. Hi sir, how are you?
I am good. Thank
I'm
you so
so
much.
happy to meet you.
Happy
Thank
to be
you
here.
so much for your time and बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आपको यहाँ देख के.
Same here.
Yeah, the first question I would like to ask you quickly. Like many people know about Smart Developers, started in 2021, back in 2021, if I'm not wrong. So many people know already about the brand, but those people who are new to this name, उनको आप क्या बताओगे about the brand?
First of all, my warm welcome to the viewers and thanks for having me here. The Smart World is almost 4 years old into the business of real estate, a new age company that has been built upon some core values of transparency, professionalism. So we are now 6,000 plus customers old and more than 40,000 crores of asset management is under us. And Gurgaon has been primarily the main area where we focused, and the future is expanding to different cities. A presence of projects in the range of luxuries and mid segments throughout Gurgaon, in the golf course extension region, the Dwarka Expressway region, and everything that we've done has taken shape right in front of our eyes. So we are almost through with 2 of our major projects which have recently been delivered and people are moving in. The orchards in Sector 61 and the gems in 89.
Yeah.
So apart from these, we've launched a couple of projects on Extension Road by the name of Edition and Skyak. Now Dwarka Expressway being the highlight, 1DXP, the first project on Dwarka Expressway, is part of the portfolio. Many new launches are happening. You must be hearing a lot of buzz around the Trump 2.
Yeah.
So the Trump is the latest addition to our chapter. So luxury is moving upwards and Smart World is expanding.
What's your vision? You are the Deputy General Manager. What's your vision
So
when
the
it comes to
vision-
the company?
The vision of company is big, so I'm aligning myself to the big vision of the company. So the honesty, the consistency and everything that is behind the name is being taken to the next level. We are through with a lot of launches in the past and a lot of launches in the future are coming up. So what we intend to do is shake up a little industry in our favor, where we launch something that adds value to the customers today.
Yeah.
A price point, a payment plan and a robust backing by the company on its integral systems of finishing products on time and delivering the values that we have. So the vision is truly achieving the excellence in the timelines that people want us to do.
So 100acres.com is India's fastest growing real estate platform. So when it comes to both the brands, where do you see the growth possibilities in the next few years?
See, the next few years would have a slew of launches, and 100 acres with its amazing reach and connects. I'm sure the kind of visibility that this brand has through the amazing portal of 100 acres that you guys have,
Yeah.
a large audience can be made aware of the best offerings from Smart World, the best payment plans, the best
Yeah.
amazing opportunities that we
Totally,
have,
totally.
be it in Gurgaon or the near future in Noida, and of course the markets we cover up in our near future. So this relationship is only going to skyrocket and grow to another level
Definitely,
when
definitely.
we launch new products as well as our existing products. So the relationship only has upwards to go.
So our founder sir, Mr. Rajesh Agarwal, he always says one thing कि आप हमारे साथ ट्रैवल करो, आपकी सेफ लैंडिंग की जिम्मेदारी हमारी. So yeah, what do you have to say about that? Because he is such a great person for me.
See, Rajesh ji is a very jovial person. उनके साथ काफ़ी पुराना साथ है. मार्केट में जो उनकी insights हैं, the kind of touch he has to the world of real estate is pretty different. The one-to-one connect that he has with everyone in the industry, the respect that he's earned over so many years in the past, that speaks volume. आज उनका नाम या उनका काम हर उस डेवलपर तक पहुंचता है जहां पर इन्होंने एक रिलेशनशिप की बुनियाद कुछ साल पहले रची थी, और आज वो एक बहुत बड़ा रिलेशनशिप का पेड़ बन चुकी है. सो what he has to add is the kind of services or the kind of facilities or the kind of touch and feel, the individuality which he puts into any deal making, the trust he's earned over the decades. So राजेश जी ने जो इतने सालों में कमाया है, जो भरोसा, जो ट्रस्ट उन्होंने अपने नेटवर्क से या अपनी क्लाइंटल फैमिली से एज वेल एज डेवलपर फैमिली से जो कमाई है, दैट इज़ व्हाट makes him a lot different than many others. I will call him still a new age because he is a creative guy. वो
totally,
अलग-अलग तरीकों से, अलग-अलग क्रिएटिविटी से चीज़ों को प्रेजेंट करते हैं, देखते हैं. उनका नज़रिया काफ़ी अलग है और उस नज़रिए के हिसाब से I think he is going to pull more wonders in the near future.
So, what do you see in 100acres.com? Like, what makes 100acres.com different from all the channel partners and brokerage firms all over Gurgaon? Like, this is a very tough question, but still I would like to ask you.
See, 100 acres primarily is into something called a portal as well as a connection between many. So, not just serving few developers, but mainly connecting a lot of them with his personal touch. क्योंकि आज कुछ channels, कुछ firms ऐसी हैं जो 1, 2, 3 builders के साथ ज़्यादातर involve होती हैं, but seeing by what you have in your office, I'm sure अगर आपकी ऑडियंस ने यहाँ कुछ देखा तो उनको हर डेवलपर से मिले वो सर्टिफिकेट्स उनका हिस्ट्री बताएंगे कि yes, he is one of the top persons in the industry जिनकी connections speaks more than words, और वो उनको काफ़ी अलग बनाता है क्योंकि जिस तरीके से उन्होंने सालों साल अपनी रिलेशनशिप्स निभाई हैं, that is only possible if a person has done a good job.
Definitely, आपने बहुत ही सही बात कहा है. One last question I would like to ask you. ये क्वेश्चन मैं सभी से पूछती हूँ जो भी यहाँ आते हैं. I'm very sure lots of people must be watching this video when it will be live.
Right.
Yeah. So one message you would like to give them to all the lovely audience.
To all the lovely audiences, a message from a real estate person in Gurgaon. Markets are always moving, maybe up, maybe staying at a particular level, but this time around 2025, it's an entry time for any property you want to buy or plan for your future, be it an investment, be it an end use. अगर आज आप कुछ भी लेना चाहते हैं तो सेकंड थॉट्स की बजाय आज फर्स्ट थॉट्स में उस प्रॉपर्टी को ले लीजिए, चाहे वो दिल्ली एनसीआर के किसी भी हिस्से में, मेनली गुड़गांव, या फिर किसी भी उस प्रॉपर्टी की मैं बात करूं जो लग्जरी में है. आज इन्वेस्टमेंट्स डबल होने के स्टार्टिंग वैल्यू पे खड़ी हैं. अगले 5 साल में बहुत कुछ बदलने वाला है. इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के साथ साथ वो प्राइस पॉइंट्स पे चीज़ें मिला करती थीं. आज से 5 साल पहले क्या था, उससे 5 साल पहले क्या था, ये आप सब देख चुके हैं, और आज से अगले 5 साल बाद क्या होगा इसकी शुरुआत हो चुकी है. सो डोंट मिस द अपॉर्चुनिटी विंडो बिकॉज डेवलपमेंट इज़ कमिंग एंड अनाउंसमेंट्स आर कमिंग. इस साल बहुत बड़ी बड़ी अनाउंसमेंट्स होनी हैं एंड दैट विल पुश योर इन्वेस्टमेंट्स टू स्काई रियल सून. So don't miss out the opportunity, and for that opportunity 100 acres is the best partner to go ahead.
Thank you so much for your words, sir. It was pleasant meeting you. So yeah, it was all about the short interview. If you like this one, please hit the follow button because 100acres.com पे आपको मिलते हैं गुड़गांव के सारे top notch updates. So yeah, thanks for watching and stay tuned.